Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going more in depth of clear gel. I've gotten a couple questions on can we use clear gel as a sculpting gel. Today I'm going to be using the Fgel More clear gel. I'll be testing out to see how well this gel holds up into being a sculpting gel. This is what it is said about this gel. It's an all-purpose builder gel. It can be used for natural length extensions, overlays, 3D, attaching charms, and encapsulation. More clear gel features less heat spikes when you have a thicker overlay. It's a non-drip formula with perfect self-leveling, and it has zero discoloration. I forgot to say that this is a medium viscosity gel. Okay, I went ahead and used the Jello peel off base, and I'll be building out my nail extension. Putting on my nail form and making sure that it's nicely snugged on my thumb and having no gap in between the form and my nail. The form is nicely snug. Look how straight and parallel it is to my nail. Starting out with a slip layer so my gel has something to grab onto, and then I'm going to grab a good amount of gel to start creating the free edge. One of the biggest concerns when it comes to using gels, especially sculpting gel, is the risk of heat spikes. Heat spikes can be uncomfortable for you or your clients, but with the more clear gel, it states that you won't have to worry about this issue, as it's specifically designed to be an anti-heat spike. After curing the free edge, I will apply another layer of gel to enhance the apex of the nail. I will point out when curing that I did feel a little bit of heat spike, but not as much as I usually do with other brands. So just keep that in mind, even though it does state that it doesn't create any heat spikes, that it all just depends on everybody, on how their nail is. Now that the nail is cured, this is when I will take off the form and do another full cure so the gel underneath the form can also get a full cure. By this step, as I took off the form, the gel ripped right by that free edge. This tells me that 1, I did not put enough gel and build the edges and apex a little bit more, or 2, because the gel did not cure well enough, it ripped. I went ahead and fixed the nail off camera just so that I can see it a little bit up close, so I know how to fix it. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and shape and file. Now let's take a closer look at how the nail is looking so far after it has been shaped. I realized as I was touching the nail how soft and bendable the nail was. I'm not even using a lot of force to bend the gel, but I really noticed how this nail was not strong enough, especially on the side when I was pinching it. It would really bend. I'm going to add layers of nail art to see if this nail gets stronger with more gel layers on top. After top coat, I'm gonna go ahead and test this nail one more time to see how strong it has become after doing nail art. I started bending the tip first, and you can see how bendy it still is. I did test out the side, and the side has actually gotten stronger, but the tip itself still feels really bendy, and if you just banged your nail somewhere, maybe the tip will just crack and fall off. Overall, I wouldn't suggest using clear gel as my main sculpting gel, although this one did state it was a builder gel all in one, but to me it just didn't seem strong enough. What do you guys think? Leave it in the comments below, and as always, give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.